Well, today is International Women's Day, and I'm joined on DD News exclusively by three women who make us proud every day of their lives. Why? Because I am with the first three women fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force, Flight Lieutenants Avni Chaturvedi, Mohana Singh and Bhavna Kant. First of all, congratulations on quite deservingly the Nari Shakti Puraskar Award. How has this journey been of being the first woman fighter pilots of the country?
I think this journey has been quite normal, like any other aspirant who wants to join the forces. And on the way, since we got this opportunity to get into fighter flying, I would also call it a big factor of luck. And I just hope that I do my best and give my best for this nation.
But of course, apart from luck, there's a lot of hard work that goes in, right?
Indeed, hard work is there, and when we train, our training prepares us to manage our time, to keep doing the hard work, and to keep performing according to the missions.
And what have been the challenges over the past few years? Avni, of course, all of you, in fact, we know your stories. They were tremendously viral on social media and, of course, across the country and the world. But, what are the challenges that you faced?
We faced the very same challenges which any fighter pilot would have faced in their career, in the beginning of their career. The journey was not a very smooth journey. It has been full of ups and downs. But every bit of it, what we achieve after overcoming the problems, is worth it.
All right, and today is Women's Day. We are talking about women empowerment, and you three, of course, symbolize that very fact for all of us in India and across the world. And young girls who might be looking at you today, what is that one thing that you would like to say to them?
I would like to say to everybody, not only girls, that whatever field you choose, whatever dream you have and whatever you want to become, you need to have a lot of determination and consistent hard work, because there will be ups and downs, there will be hardships, but you have to overcome them to achieve that one goal.
There are no foundations. Foundations are only, like in the training they used to say, it's all mental. So forget about the foundations, spread your wings and fly high.
Yes, probably the same thing. It's the most important thing I feel is not to give up, no matter who you are, and just do what you want to do. Do not let anything stop you. You might fall, but important thing is to get up.
Absolutely, like they said, spread your wings and fly high. And this is what today's Women of New India is going and spreading the message of across the world. These three, of course, women fighter pilots of the Indian Air Force have made all of us proud. But there are several women across various fields and across the states of India who have been making us proud every day of their lives. And India today is honoring each one of them for their valuable contribution to contributing to the society as well as the world. With camera person Vinay Tiwari, I'm Shreya Upadhyay for DD News.